Sometimes my art just is joy. My name is Joy French. I'm an abstract artist. I use acrylic paints in lots of colors. My process to be free. I go and create.
We knew early on that Charlie was interested in art. I'm Karen, and I'm Charlie's mom. His teacher said he has this natural talent for color and composition. I didn't even know what composition was. And he came home one day and he was like, I'm an artist. That's my job. And he called it Art for Dollars. We were renovating a house and my husband said, let's build a studio. And Charlie said, yes, my own studio. We want this space to be therapeutic and positive.
My space is built to me. I love painting here.
Having a business and selling his art makes him feel good. Art has given Charlie the means to have a community, and his self-confidence flourishes.
I hope my art helps people see my happiness. I want my art to be in the Dave Martin Museum.
He doesn't have any fear. There's never been a canvas he's afraid of. That's pretty cool, to be that free.
Weekend vibes. Made by Joy, made by you.